In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a custom watermark to your document in Microsoft Word. Watermarks can be a useful way to label your documents as a draft, mark them as confidential, or simply add a personal or professional touch with your company name or logo. Let's get started on enhancing your document with this simple yet effective tool. First, make sure you have your document open in Microsoft Word. It's important to have the document you wish to modify open before you proceed with adding a watermark. So go ahead and get your document up and ready. Once your document is open, direct your attention to the top of the screen where you will find the ribbon, a powerful toolbar in Word that contains various tabs filled with different functions. Look for the tab labeled Design. The Design tab is where you can adjust the overall appearance of your document, and it includes several useful tools, including the one we need for adding a watermark. After clicking on the Design tab, keep your eyes on the right side of the ribbon where you'll find a section titled Page Background. Within this section, you'll see an option labeled Watermark. Click on this button to open a drop-down menu filled with options for adding watermarks. In the drop-down menu, you'll notice several predefined watermark options such as Confidential or Draft. However, for a more tailored approach, you'll want to select the option that reads Custom Watermark or something similar. This will open the Printed Watermark dialog box, which gives you full control to customize your watermark exactly how you want it. Once the Printed Watermark dialog box appears, you'll see a choice to select Text Watermark. Go ahead and click on this option. This allows you to input your text of choice, which will appear on your document as a watermark. You might want to consider using terms like draft, confidential, or even your company name for that personal touch. Next, you can customize the appearance of your watermark text. Here, you have options to choose the font that best suits your brand or style, adjust the size for visibility, and select a color that stands out or blends subtly with your document. You can also determine the layout of the watermark, whether you prefer it to be horizontal or diagonal across your document. For a softer appearance that doesn't overshadow your document's content, consider making the watermark semi-transparent by checking that option. Finally, after you've selected your desired options and are satisfied with the preview, click Apply or OK. This will finalize your watermark and incorporate it into the document. With these steps, you now have a professional and polished document, complete with a custom watermark tailored to your needs. Congratulations on mastering this useful tool in Microsoft Word.